Hey, it's W from Needy Cat Media coming back to you with another how-to video. In front of you have a 2008 Hyundai Sonata, and I'm sure many of you have probably had this circumstance where you grab the handle of your car and with the brute strength everyone has, it just comes ripping right off your car. Well, if you want to know how to fix it, which is real easy, I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, so this is a pretty easy process. It only takes a few minutes to do this. But when the door's open, see that cap right here? I'm gonna zoom up on that cap. We're gonna take this cap off just with your regular screwdriver. Just pop it off. And you got this hole in here. I don't know if I can show this to you, but inside the hole is a single bolt, 5/16. 5/16 socket. So we got a little piece of pipe. We got a long socket. Okay, well there's a screw, and I loosened it up enough where the top part of this fell out. Would like to get the rest of it out just to make sure it doesn't go anywhere, but not necessarily that important. So this one here seems to be stock, which is actually a good thing. We're going to go ahead and install that other handle. Show you how that's done. So I want to make sure that that doesn't come out, so I'm just going to sit here. But this is real simple, watch. All you're going to do put this in like this, and then it snaps in place, and then this opens up, and that's it. Then once that's on, you're going to stick this piece back in, and this is kind of the cap that's going to keep it from it'll pop in. Do you hear that pop? Then you're going to slide this in like this, and that's it. And then all we're going to do is we're going to screw this right back in place, nice and tight. And that's it. It looks good. Let's see if it works. All right, door's closed. Doors open. I think we're good.
And voila!
Voila! And that's it. Literally a 10-minute job. Take out the cap, unscrew it. This thing pops right in place. Stick the new one in until you hear it click, and then tighten it back up again. That's as simple as she gets. If you guys have any questions about this video, please put them down there in the comment. I'll be more than happy to answer them. Thanks again for watching. As always, be safe and stay healthy.